Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to drop a table, or we can say how to delete some values from table by using MySQL workbench as well as Python script. So now let's move to the MySQL workbench. So here first we have to use the test, which is a database. So here I just hit command enter, and now I'm gonna see how many values are there in my database. So here we have a select star from employee. So employee is a table. Now hit enter. So here we have two values, or we can say two rows, which is Alex and Peter, and having ID 1 and 2. And now I'm gonna delete one row by using a delete keyword, DELE, delete from name of the table, which is employee. After that I just write where ID equal to 1. So here I use ID equal to 1 because ID is a unique for all the rows. So after that hit command enter. So now I'm gonna check whether it is affected or not from EMPLO employee. Just click command enter. So here you can see the ID1 is deleted, which means that the first row is deleted. And now let's move to the Python script to delete the second row, or we can say delete the second ID. So just copy some command, delete from employee, and move to the Python script, and now just paste here inside our execute. So here you can see delete from employee where ID equal to 2. And now save this module and run. So here we did not get any error. So let's move to the MySQL workbench to see whether it is affected or not. Enter, and after that hit command enter. So here you can see there is no row, which means that all the rows are deleted. So the first is deleted from MySQL workbench and the second row is deleted from the Python script. So this is the process to delete the values, or we can say delete the rows from database.